Abandon. To abandon means to leave something or someone behind and not come back. It can also mean to give up on something completely. The dog was abandoned by its owner. He had to abandon the game early. The villagers had to abandon their homes during the flood to stay safe. She didn't want to abandon her dream of becoming an artist, even when things got tough. Leave, to go away from something. Quit, to stop doing something. Forsake, to leave someone or something forever. Other similar words: give up, desert, walk away. Keep, to continue holding or having something. Stay, to not leave. Support, to help and not give up. Other opposite words: help, hold on, return.